up with that whisper saying you ain't good enough. More voices in my head playing dirty, playing rough. Media screaming fear, experts saying trust the plan. But my boots been on these back roads, I know the lay of the land. They say a chain's dressed up like freedom, pretty lies in a suit. But something deep inside says you better follow truth. We all hear the thunder rolling, trying to shake our ground. But the strongest hearts start digging when the rain starts pouring down. Hey! Question the noise, don't let it on your mind. Kick out them destructive thoughts, leave the lies behind. Systems ain't your savior, they got agendas of their own. Stand up tall, think for yourself, don't walk this road alone. We all got that fire burning, we all got a choice to make. Move stomping through the darkness till the real light starts to break. They tell you what to fear, what to buy, who to blame. Feed you poison in the water, call it freedom just the same. But I seen good folks broken by the rules they never wrote, chasing someone else's dream till they lost all hope. Heart says slow down, listen, gut says this don't feel right. Time to cut the puppet strings and step into the light. We all carry heavy loads from the battles in our head, but the ones who keep on questioning are the ones who ain't misled. Hey! Question the noise, don't let it on your mind. Kick out them destructive thoughts, leave the lies behind. Systems ain't your savior, they got agendas of their own. Stand up tall, think for yourself, don't walk this road alone. We all got that fire burning, we all got a choice to make. Boots stomping through the darkness till the real light starts to break. When the doubts come howling like wolves outside your door, remember who you are, you were made for so much more. Don't swallow every story that the loudest voices sell. Your truth is worth the fight and it rings clear as a bell. Hey! Question the noise, don't let it on your mind. Kick out them destructive thoughts, leave the lies behind. Systems ain't your savior, they got agendas of their own. Stand up tall, think for yourself, don't walk this road